So this is what is the explanation is. Now we can do this VBT, valence bond theory, point wise. What this theory says, this theory says only the bonds are formed by the overlapping of atomic orbitals. The atomic orbitals with unpaired electrons only participates in the overlapping. They overlap along internuclear axis. So the overlapping is always along internuclear axis, and strength of covalent bond is directly proportional to extent of overlapping. The greater is the extent of overlapping, the stronger is the bond. And we have the bond formed is electrostatic forces of attraction between the electrons nucleus. Then energy released is called bond enthalpy, and the overlapping atomic orbital must have comparable energies, so that they can easily overlap, and same directions also. Always remember, the orbitals with which are overlapping, if they are having the same directions, the extent of overlapping is much higher, stronger is the bond. That's the most important thing in this case. Then also, the paired electrons become unpaired in empty atomic orbitals. Now this explains trivalency, tetravalency, etc. of the atoms, elements like carbon. We can have, like in case of boron, so they can explain by the unpairing of the paired electrons in the empty atomic orbitals. So these are the main certain postulates of the valence bond theory, which explained how these bonds are formed.